transcends knowledge. Let's learn together to add insight.
Borobudur Temple is a Buddhist temple located in Borobudur, Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. This temple is located approximately 100 kilometers southwest of the city of Semarang, 86 kilometers west of the city of Surakarta, and 40 kilometers northwest of the city of Yogyakarta. This temple with many stupas was founded by adherents of Mahayana Buddhism around the year 800 AD during the reign of the Syailendra dynasty. Borobudur is the largest Buddhist temple in the world, as well as one of the largest Buddhist monuments in the world. Monument consists of 6 square terraces on which there are 3 circular courtyards, and the walls are decorated with 2,672 relief panels, and originally there were 504 Buddha statues. Borobudur has the most complete and largest collection of Buddhist reliefs in the world. The largest main stupa is located in the center and at the same time crowning this building. Surrounded by 3 circular rows of 72 perforated stupas in which there is a Buddha statue sitting cross-legged in a perfect lotus position with a mudra, hand gesture, and Dharma chakra mudra, turning the Dharma wheel. This monument is a model of the universe and was built as a holy place to glorify Buddha as well as function as a place of pilgrimage to guide mankind, from the realm of worldly desires to enlightenment and wisdom according to Buddha's teachings. The pilgrims enter through the east side and begin the ritual at the base of the temple by walking around this sacred building in a clockwise direction, while continuing to ascend the next steps through the 3 levels of realms in Buddhist cosmology. The 3 levels are Kamadhatu, the realm of lust, Rupadhatu, and Arupadhatu. On the way, the pilgrims walk through a series of passages and stairs to see no less than 1,460 beautiful relief panels engraved on the walls and balustrades. According to historical evidence, Borobudur was abandoned in the 10th century as the center of the ancient Mataram kingdom moved to East Java by Pusindak. The world began to realize the existence of this building since it was discovered in 1814 by Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles, who at that time served as the British Governor-General of Java. Since then, Borobudur has undergone a series of rescue and restoration efforts. The largest restoration project was carried out from 1975 to 1982 at the effort of the Government of the Republic of Indonesia and UNESCO. Then this historic site was included in the list of World Heritage Sites. In Indonesian, ancient religious buildings are called temples. The term temple is also used more broadly to refer to all ancient buildings dating from the Hindu-Buddhist period in the archipelago. The name Borobudur was first written in the book History of the Island of Java by Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles. Raffles wrote of a monument called Borobudur, but no older document mentions the exact name. The only ancient Javanese manuscript that gives clues about the existence of a sacred Buddhist building that may refer to Borobudur is the Nagragradagama, which was written by Mpu Perpongka in 1365. Unlike other temples that are built on flat land, Borobudur is built on a hill with a height of 265 meters above sea level and 15 meters above the bottom of an ancient lake that has dried up. The existence of this ancient lake became a hot topic of debate among archaeologists in the 20th century, and raises the suspicion that Borobudur was built on the shore or even in the middle of the lake. In 1931, an artist and expert on Hindu-Buddhist architecture, W.O.J. Miuwankamp, put forward the theory that the second plane was once a lake, and Borobudur was built to symbolize a lotus flower floating on the surface of the lake.
The time of its construction is estimated based on a comparison between the type of script written on the closed foot of the Karma Wivanga, with the type of script commonly used in 8th and 9th century royal inscriptions. It is estimated that Borobudur was built around 800 AD. This period corresponds to the period between 760 and 830 AD, the heyday of the Syailendra dynasty in central Java, which at that time ruled the throne of the Magelang kingdom. The construction of Borobudur is estimated to take more than 75 to 100 years, and was actually completed during the reign of King Semarang in 825. In essence, Borobudur is a stupa which when viewed from above forms a large mandala pattern. The mandala is a complex pattern composed of concentric squares and circles that symbolize the cosmos or the universe, which is commonly found in the Vajrayana Mahayana Buddhism. The 10 courtyards owned by Borobudur clearly illustrate the philosophy of the Mahayana school, which simultaneously describes cosmology, namely the concept of the universe, as well as the level of the mind realm in Buddhist teachings. Like a book, Borobudur describes the 10 levels of bodhisattvas that must be passed to reach the perfection of becoming a Buddha. The base plan of the square measures 123 meters on each side. The building has 9 terraces, the bottom 6 terraces are square, and the top 3 terraces are circular. In 1885, accidentally discovered a hidden structure at the foot of Borobudur. This hidden foot has reliefs of which 160 of them are about Karma Wivanga. On this relief panel there are engraved characters, which are instructions for the engraver to create a scene in the relief image. The original leg is covered by the addition of a stone structure that forms a fairly large courtyard. Its true function is still a mystery. Initially it was thought that the addition of this foot was to prevent the monument from sliding. Another theory proposes that the addition of the legs was due to an error in the original leg design, and was incompatible with waste literature, the Indian scriptures on architecture and urban planning. Whatever the reason for the addition of this leg, the addition and manufacture of this additional leg is done carefully by considering religious, aesthetic, and technical reasons. Watching. Hopefully a little information in this video can add to your insight. See you in the next video.